Hey everybody, this is Bob of Bob's Pressure Wash with an unboxing of the BE 5 gallon per minute belt drive B3013HABC. The A is the wheeled version, and here we go. Alright folks, let's see about getting this new BE B3013HABC 5 gallon per minute pressure washer unboxed and unloaded. We got 50 feet of hose, the owner's manual and paperwork, a gun with a lance, and I'm not sure if I got any oil with it or not. Lance. Some more paperwork and nozzles. Got 4 nozzles, not 5. Got the gun. This is a BE Max 5,000, 10.5 gallon per minute, max 320 degrees. See how it works out. Got a quick connect downstreamer and no oil. I was wondering what attaches this. There we go. We don't really need those anyway. Well, that didn't go as smoothly as I hoped it would. But, yeah, here we go. Move this sucker out into the light for you. Belt drive, 5.5 gallon per minute Comet pump, Honda GX390, and it'll basically be living in the back of that truck without the handles on it. But for now I need to put it up until I get to my point of building my skid. I'm going to build a pressure treated wood skid in the back of this truck, and that should be about it. I'm set up to run it off a buffer tank. I'm going to redirect the unloader bypass to the buffer tank and everything should be good. Don't mind my breathing. I'm getting old and I smoked for a lot of years, but I quit a long time ago too. So let me put this thing away. Just wanted to quickly let everybody know that the Honda engine did come filled with oil. So it's got oil in it. I won't be starting it. I've got a drain set coming today for future oil changes, and I'll have to mount that on there. And then we have a freezing night coming a couple nights from now, so I'm not sure when I'm going to start it the first time.